Wanda, when you first gave your initial pitch on the show, well, first of all, your story, your company was really born from the death of a loved one. And it allowed you to reach deep inside and actually create this startup of yours. When you first pitched on the show, I could sense that you were trying to put up a front. You were trying to stay strong, but you were not really in touch with what was going on deep inside you. Eventually, when you gave your final pitch, that's when I remember just before you went up to pitch, you actually broke down when I interviewed you. And that's when I felt that you really felt why you were on the show. Take me through that experience and what being on the final pitch, beyond getting an investment, means to you.
First, I would like to thank you, John, very, very much. And of course, everybody who's here today. I think, the Cancer E-Clinic is so close to my heart. When I submitted that pitch, Mom was still in the hospital. Then when we were in the recording, she was dead already. And I was the final pitch of the final pitch. And, I was like, the first slide itself is her picture, so I was like so close to crying, but I was like, wait, I have fake eyelashes that time. And my motivation was, wait, I have to hold myself, be composed, because I don't want to show national TV. I have this fake eyelash. But more than that, I think I want to explain what I want, what I've been through, and I know a lot of people are going through that, and I want to be that voice for those invisible patients of every journey, the caregivers like myself. And I think, when somebody died, you've been through a lot and you don't want to be a burden to anyone anymore. So you hold it to yourself. And I think throughout the show, it's like, I have to be strong. I have to get through this. And during the last one, when you were asking me those questions, it was my mom's first month anniversary. So
wow.
That's why everything, I really broke down. But I think what I wanted to thank you for, it was like a healing experience for me to really understand what I went through, what other people are going through, and how can I help with that. And I think I also want to thank my husband, who's always been there, the recording and all. I was so close to really breaking down, and I was like, should I not go through it? But I was like, this is a tribute to my mom, and I think it's the legacy that she left behind that I want to continue. So thank you.
Thank you. And you did share with us that at a point when we were